Hey guys, it's me, SPC Franklin County 373 here. It looks like one of my spurts of energy has come back. And so, we are back with the We are back with the RWG. Also, I want to fulfill something before I show you. I want to fulfill something before I show you this weekly test. Whoa. 180 subscribers? We're 20 away from 200. Make sure you get me to 200. Also, 66% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed, so make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be holding this.
Blustery and much cooler with lows 0 to 5 above.
This signal hasn't been great. So. Also, Winter Storm Watch did wake me up, but I was unable to get it.
Up to 40 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation 100%. Wind chill values as low as 10 below after midnight.
Okay.
Friday, mostly cloudy. Snow, mainly in the morning.
So, let me go through every radio that'll be toning. It's 10:59. Toning, not, yes, toning, not, toning, not, toning, not. So this will be activating. These will all still activate, but they will be in display mode. Let's get it started.
In Ohio, Dahlia, Hawkins, Jackson, Maine, Morgan, Perry, Vinton, and Washington. In West Virginia, Jackson, Mason, Pleasant, and Wood. Now here is the
Here goes WWG57. Before ILN.
Service weather radio warning alarm for
WWG57 for the Central Highlands of Ohio.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast.
CLA already activated, but ILN's taking forever.
Windy, cold with lows around 0.
Might as well get a second test.
Then becoming partly cloudy.
Finally! It is indeed the most wonderful time in the year, people. It is officially the most wonderful time in the year.
The preceding signal was a test of the
You
radio
get
station
cold!
KIG86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During
Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn them of the impending hazard.
Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are
I can't
normally
pronounce
conducted
it.
by the National
Weather
Weather Service
Service
between
11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday.
If
When
there
there is a threat of
severe
good weather,
the test will be postponed to the next
available good weather day.
Reception
Also
of
have the
this
counties.
broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings
For the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG86 Columbus, Ohio.
Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions
John Glenn Columbus International Airport under fair skies. The temperature was 36 degrees and the relative humidity 64%. The wind